Hi, my name's Todd Kortte. I'm a video instructor for the GoPro video workshop in the Cayman Islands. I wanted to give you an idea of what to expect if you decide to join me on this trip. This is a GoPro video workshop, but any camera that you do have that shoots video is completely fine because what I'm teaching on frame rates, resolution, lights, and everything else underwater, it works across the board. When used properly, the GoPro could be a really powerful tool underwater. I'm going to teach you how to maximize the potential of the GoPro underwater by showing you different settings and different shots. When you put these two together, I guarantee you'll get results. I'll also show you how to use this GoPro underwater video guide with QR codes. The QR codes are the best underwater settings for your GoPro. All you have to do is point the GoPro at the QR code underwater and it instantly changes to those settings. While we're in the Cayman Islands, I'll be discussing frame rates and resolutions, types of shots that hold the attention of the viewer, are easy to shoot, and simple to edit. I'll be talking about color loss, ambient light, video light, how to read the light and get the best shots. I can't stress the importance of understanding ambient light underwater. It's a very complicated thing with white balance and color loss. On the underwater video guides, there is a color chart on the top. You can see what kind of color loss you have, and there's a white balance checkpoint on here too. You can see like how much greens and how much blue is being added to your white. If you've never been to the Cayman Islands, I describe it as paradise diving. The water is crystal clear. It's known for its clear, warm water. Over 100-foot visibility, water temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. It's really comfortable diving. The life is your typical Caribbean life. You'll see the same things that you'll see throughout the Caribbean. The orange elephant ear sponges are gorgeous. They are gigantic, and the color of them with your video lights is really amazing. The wall dives are really nice. There are plenty of swim throughs, lots of turtles and fish, and the giant sea anemones are always a fan favorite. There's also a lot of shy life that I'll show you how to approach and shoot. I'll also be discussing color correction, editing techniques, and video output settings for social media, so you can share your amazing underwater videos with your friends, family, and the rest of the world. We're in a beautiful part of the world with a group of divers that are passionate about the ocean. I want you to get results. I want you to learn how to shoot underwater video. So come with me on this trip. It will sell out, so sign up, get a spot before they sell out. My name's Todd Kortte. I'll see you in the Cayman Islands.